You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to bake right in Sierra Leone. I'm in Sierra Leone and we are going to open a new bakery. Everything is new. So today we are going to test all the equipment and see if they will function. But I want you to look at this beauty. Everywhere is so beautiful and a lot of hills and mountains we climb every day. And so before we started work, I was served this food, this local delicacy called couscous. It looks so strange, I know, but it tastes good, so I have to manage it before we start work. This is how they welcome me, with strange food. So at the bakery, we started after explanation, after giving them the theoretical aspect, explaining step by step, we decide to practicalize. So it's time to, do the measurements and try all the equipment. The scale is functioning very well, and they are all excited with high spirit in the bakery. So first of all, because we don't know how good the equipment is, we are going to first of all start with 5 kg of flour. So at this point, I have to still do it practically, show them how to do it. So step by step I have to explain and work with them, so they were involved in every step that I take. This is the best way I apply. And this is the benefit of having me in your bakery. Practically, physically we do it together with the staffs, and I supervise, make the corrections, show them how to do it step by step. In case you want us to come to your bakery, just connect us, give us a call, or send a message on WhatsApp and we will respond to you. You can also get our recipe ebook. Just buy our recipe ebook and you have the best 9 well formulated, tested recipe for your business. We also write business plan and do a lot of things concerning bakery business. We can solve your bakery problem, I assure you that. Back to the video. So at this point, after measuring, we decided to use, this is the mixer that is available, although I told the woman, our boss, that this is for cake mixing, but we'll manage. So after mixing, we have to scale. So I decided to first of all test the sliced bread pan. I want to start with that size first, and then we'll do the burger bread, sardine bread, coconut bread, and other loaves. So for the sliced bread, I decided to use 600 grams of dough for the sliced bread pan. You can use 550, 650, depending on the size of your pan or the amount you are selling, per loaf. So we decide to just test the sliced bread pan. I have to scale it to show them how to read the scale, how to scale, and everything step by step. You can see that our people are using nylon as headgear. For now, most of the things that are needed in the bakery are not yet available. So this is how I demonstrated the step-by-step way of molding the dough, step by step. You see, where we tell you that we can deliver, we do the best, we make sure everyone is carried along. You can see that every staff is learning, and is a careful step by step easy method of molding. Now, one thing about this place, I mean Sierra Leone, is that they are very nice, peaceful place, very nice place to do business, and the staffs are very respectful. I tell you, these Sierra Leone guys are very good. They are respectful, very loving, and easy to interact with. That makes my work very easy because they were ready to learn, and they also committed. They are committed, ready to learn, and everything, ask the right questions, and we were at a very high spirit. Everyone was excited. So after molding, we greased the pans and then we started panning them. Although I taught them two ways of greasing. Either you grease the dough and pan, or you grease the pan and then you allow the dough to just proof inside without greasing the dough again. So you choose one that is best suitable for your style. So I have to show them the two methods so that they will learn, very, 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 very important. Now, the oven we are using has a proofing part segment and also the baking part. So while we were waiting for the dough to proof, they brought this King's Drive, very nice cookies, and then these I don't really know, caramelized peanuts and sesame seeds. So I just decided to test their local baked things, and it tastes good. The King's Drive was very nice. My brother, this guy was chewing raw cassava. They forgot that cassava contains cyanide. He was enjoying the raw cassava. So after all said and done, it's time to check. Baking was completed. I decided to first of all check one, and this my man was always by my side. He was ready to learn. He's always asking questions, always by my side. I tell you the truth. So you can see the first loaf is good. Here the camera seems to make it white, but it was very brown, I tell you. Where you can see the second one, how brownish it is. Golden brown, that is the color. That is the best color for your bread, golden brown. Not too white, because if it is too white, it shows that it's not properly baked, and that bread, that type of bread, may not last. Here I caution them for not greasing the pan effectively. That is why this other one did not come out smoothly. So that is still a way of learning. You can see how nice the bread looks. Very nice. Very. Now, one thing about this place is that as soon as we started baking and we introduced it to some customers, we were unable to meet up demand. People, because the bread was so delicious, the taste and everything was nice. So they have not seen, a bread like that. There was no bread like that in Sierra Leone. I have to tell you the truth straight ahead. There was no bread like that in Sierra Leone. So it was very nice. So it was like it's a new product, and customers queue to buy our bread. So we were trying to produce to meet up demand. Imagine you setting up a business, and from the first day, the demand is more than you produce. You can imagine that is a very nice green light, and we maintained the quality that way. So you can see the variety of bread that we made. You can see the marble bread, the coconut bread. We also made sardine bread, burger buns, and so many bread that we practicalize in Sierra Leone. Thank you for watching. Please give us a call. Call us for business. We will come any part of Africa, any part of Europe, any part of the world. If you are ready, we are also ready, and we give the best, only the best. If you want your bakery to have these types of loaves, give us a call. See you in our next video. God bless you.